Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm Chris from Earth Tech Products, and today we have the Powertraveller Extreme Tactical Solar Charger. It's great for charging cell phones, for tablets, for smartphones, GoPro cameras. I think you guys will love it. I'm going to unbox this just shortly and show you more. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so let's get started. Start taking the plastic off this guy. Recycle this later. Okay. Very nice case, I gotta say. Let's see how we open this. Oh, it's like a couple of magnets in here. Really nice quality box to start with. That's always a nice thing. So you got this great looking case, which looks like it has the ability to go through belt strap, different options here for hooking it up to your bag, which is really great. Let's open this up, see what we got in here. Oh, looks like there's some like elastic here to I guess keep everything tight in here. So this looks like the battery. Take a look at that first. So this is a good, not too big, good handheld size. Looks like it's got covers to keep things watertight in like weather conditions. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like a socket cigarette lighter adapter. Plug in your 12 volt, so you have an adapter for like a car for your cell phone. You can plug this in here, charge up your device with that. Looks like they've supplied some kind of cable here. We'll see what that is in a little bit. Looks like there's a solar panel in here as well. Get that out of there. Color is awesome, gotta say, really cool. So this is the Extreme solar panel, also with its little covers here to keep the connectors, or I mean the sockets, nice and dry in case you're outdoors, inclement weather situations. So see, oh okay, so now this is a USB-C connector, which, as everybody knows at this point, or you should know, charges up devices a little quicker because it allows a little bit higher current to come through. So in this case, let's just say we're going to go charge this out in the sun. We're going to take this USB, put it in here, put this out in the sun, and it's going to charge directly into this battery bank here, which is going to be where you're going to eventually be drawing from whatever device you have, whether it's the smartphone or the tablet, GoPro camera. So let's give it a shot and see. It should have some kind of charge from it from the factory. So I went and grabbed the phone from someone else here in the office, since I'm using mine to record video. And so I have it plugged in here with the USB going directly into the phone here, and we're actually getting a charge. If you could take a look at the top left corner there, I don't know if you can see that, but basically you get the little charge symbol there. It's charging up. So this is actually the quicker port. Should be getting a good charge here. So in a nutshell, you know, it's a very nice unit, feels good, nice material. I really like the feature of having the watertight seal here. So like when you're going out and about, you can keep your device nice and protected from the elements. It's a very nice feature. Great foldable panel, really cool color. Definitely think it's a really well made item. Happy to see the quality. Very nice.